Whoa! Yeah. Woo! All right, what's going on, friends? In this video, I'm going to be ripping this little RC car. Now, this is by DRC. It is a four-wheel drive RC car, and it does come with two 3S batteries, which is kind of cool because I think every car I've ever got this size did not come with 3S batteries. So this comes with two of them. So we're going to see how fast this is, and I'm going to try to jump it over a couple of these little speed bumps out in front of me and hopefully not break it. So here we go. At the end of the video, I'll show you how to put the battery in, how to turn it on, and talk about it a little bit. So if you want to watch all the way to the end, that's when I do that. But there is a little button up under here we can hold in. There we go. Nice. Oh, there's one thing. This is the first controller I ever got. You can switch these switches and it will steer different. Like if you want to turn it this way to go right, yeah, it does now. But if you switch it like this, then it goes left. It's kind of weird. And I think with the throttle too, same with the throttle. If you want to pull the throttle in to go forward, is it going forward, pulling it in? No, it's going backwards. It's weird. So you flip it that way, now it will go forward. Now it's normal. That'll mess you up. I don't know, maybe it must be for if you're dyslexic, I guess. I don't know. Never seen that. Go down there and go as fast as you can and just hit that bump. There you go. The wind's blowing perfect. Come down and hit this jump a couple more times. Nice. That was a nice one.
It like slightly turns to the right every time.
Is it? There's a way on there you can adjust it somewhere. Oh, we wrecked. That was nice. Yes. That's a pretty cool little car, I think. I don't know. Seems to handle pretty decent for a small car. Goes over this jump nice. Whoa, nice one. I think I got that. And you wrecked. Oh. Oh, watch the rock.
It's just like not turning at all anymore.
Whoa! Ah. Whew. Yeah. Woo! See, that was a lot faster. I don't know how fast I'm going, but. All right, well, that's it for this video. If you guys want to keep watching, I will show you everything, like I said, that comes in the box. And you definitely can see this thing did rip pretty good. It's a little different than anything I've ever run, actually, but it goes. You can hear the fan in there. There is a fan in there to keep that, I think it's the ESV, I think, cool or whatever. It helps keep stuff cool in there. But by me running in this dust, probably ain't helping it at all. But or if you don't keep watching, give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this. And hit that subscribe button to help support this channel. God bless and stay awesome, people. All right, this is everything that comes in the box with the 8618 brushless RC car. You do get 2 manuals. It's pretty simple. You get 2 3S batteries. This is like the first RC car I've ever done that came with 3S batteries. This is the charger. You'll plug this white plug into that plug. When there's a green light that'll come on here. When the green light is solid, the batteries are fully charged. Get a little screwdriver, a little wrench, some extra clips, a couple little extra parts. I think there's an Allen wrench in there. And this is the car itself. And then I'll show you how to put the battery in. Little Velcro here. I like these Velcro ones because they fit a lot easier. Yes. Strap that in. So the red plug is to plug into the car. The white plug is for charging. And then you can just plug this in. Okay, that's it right there. And then there is right here, right next to this, looks like a little fan. There's a fan in there, I think. There's a button right there. You hold that button in. That's going to turn the car on, okay? So then you got the motor here. Let me take the sticker off. So it's probably just telling you that motor does get really hot. Shocks. There's metal gears in here. There's actually some metal on the bottom too. Nice little car. All right. And you will need 3 AA batteries for the remote. That's all you will need to buy. Everything else it comes with. All right, that's it. If you made it to the end of this video, thanks a lot. Give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button.